We just got in, we're finally set up. This place is awesome. So we're going to, what'd you say? We can get a golf cart and there's pontoon rentals. So.
Oh, I didn't know we were getting pontoons.
We might. But yeah, we're gonna check out the resort and take you guys along, so let's go. Just rented a golf cart. I don't know why anybody is trusting me with this thing, because this is so nerve-wracking, because there are golf carts everywhere. When we were down there renting the golf cart, I ended up getting myself an anchor down shirt right here. And then I also got us a magnet, and I'm always so excited to put a new magnet up because if you've been a follower of mine, you know we collect magnets everywhere we go. So as you guys already know, we got a lot of different magnets just everywhere we've been. So now I don't even know where to put this guy. I don't know if I want to put it back there, maybe right here. So now we have an anchor down magnet. It's just a little stuff that, you know, makes your camper yours. So we always collect our magnets, and I got a new shirt. Those are like my two things I get when we go camping in new places. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here at Douglas Lake at Anchor Down. It's so little. Come on. There you go. Hey, really. I cannot talk too much. I'm losing my voice. I have been sick the past couple of days because I've been so stressed out. So that's why I'm not talking too much, trying to save my voice, because as the day progresses, then it seems like I lose it more and more and more. So in the morning, this is the most voice I have. So if I'm not talking too much during the vlog, that is why. What do you got as bait?
I've got a shad crankbait.
A shad?
Yeah, he's a bad shad. That's what it says. And this lure here, I don't even know what that is really, but whatever.
Oh, that's weird.
It looks like a crawdad.
Yeah, it's really weird. We're at the Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge, and there's an effing wedding going on up here, which should be me and Chris's idea in our thing, right? Somebody stole our idea, and I'm so parched and thirsty.
Idea? What idea?
Getting married at a Margaritaville.
Oh, yeah.
So hold on, I'm gonna try and see if I can get a picture or video of the bride. Hold on. Oh, here's some groomsmen and bridesmaids. Hold on.
Yeah, it's not necessarily interstate material.
Wanna go in here?
Come to find out.
He wants to challenge me to some Papa shots in every arcade game because I beat his ass earlier today. What was the game I beat you? Oh, foosball. I beat him at foosball. Wow, it is so echoey in here.
She didn't get that on film. She came out herself.
My battery died, but I kicked his ass.
You got that?
Oh yeah, it's going down.
That was a great shot. Stole. Thank you.
Oh my god, that was so much work. Am I still going? What? How did I get more? You go.
I don't know.
What is going on? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Want to do air hockey? Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Well, no. We're supposed to get one. Share one. That's not, you're gonna hit a cone.
Oops.
Okay. That's not gonna
Well,
work.
this is delicious.
It is pretty good.
No, brother.
I prefer mine.
I want to set the record straight, okay? She's always filming me passing out. That's total bullshit. Yes, that happens. And she catches me at bad times from time to time. But let's be honest, okay? Let's get the real situation where it really goes down 90% of the time on all of these camping trips. Hope you guys can hear me. The AC is blasting. Anyways, let's go sneak up on her. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Get to know Geico and see how much you could save on renter's insurance.
Eventually, more and more people want to see these Saturday games. Well, broadcast technology may have provided a picture of what we needed was a voice. Pretty soon, the whole
And this is what happens. That's what happens. And she tries to say that I'm the one passed out all the time. Who's that?
Then I grew up, and it still wasn't my thing.
Sick or not sick, this is the majority.
We're heading back up to the same place we were yesterday because they had good TVs in a couple of the bars. As you can tell, I have a little bit of my voice back today as of right now until I start screaming at the Bengals.
Where's your Bengals
But
shirt?
I don't have a Bengals shirt. I forgot to freaking bring it. I know. You got yours on, right? Yeah, see, I failed at that. But let's hope we can win something today. Come on, Bengals. Let's get a W here, guys. Well, that was a fail. And it's like 90 degrees out. Nobody has an NFL ticket. So now, apparently there's only like 3 restaurants that even have an NFL ticket that will even have the game.
Come on.
So we gotta figure that out. Holy crap. I'm thirsty.
All right, Bluffs or the roaming gnome? Which one?
Whatever's closer.
They're the exact same distance.
Oh my gosh. Is that the one that had wings?
Oh, they both showed wings, so.
Go there.
Roaming gnome.
Roaming gnome it is. Here we go. We're having ground turkey and steak tacos. What is that?
They're fillets. It
Oh.
was supposed to be dinner night 1, but I think we up and did chili. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that.
I can beep you.
Thanks. We did chili instead of fillets. night 1.
And I went as far as making us a little taco bar. So you got salsa, radishes, cheese, onion, sour cream, and Taco Bell hot sauce because they're bomb.